got all the way to Google as a UX designer, and was promoted to UX manager, and was leading a team on a strategic secret project in a bunker and building. I wish I had a harness projects in a sense, so that I could put something relevant and new up there on my portfolio. So use me as your mentor, and ask me any questions that you have, so that you're meeting with the client next week to ask all of those probing questions, and to run an exercise with the client on getting their insight and finding what their pain points are and what their outcomes and objectives are. So,
I think.
Oh, have you got yours already?
I haven't got it yet, but I was just thinking this whole week, I'm like, first of all, I'm excited because I'm getting free stuff.
Alice has got it. Nuwan's got it.
Yeah, I got mine last week.
Yeah,
I don't even have one.
We could use that. We could use that in research.
Yeah, it's coming.